Are you trying to find a way to prove that you are a professional cleaning company, especially in the bidding process, so that you're not stuck, slashing your prices to try to win a job over a company that probably isn't being run that professionally? My name is Michael Brown. I'm the founder and CEO of Swept Software. We build software specifically for the cleaning industry to help you retain your contracts and your employees. And it's working very, very well. So, right now, we're at a time in the world where people actually care about cleaning. There's been an entire mindset shift, and that creates an opportunity for our industry and for your business to grow. For years, cleaning companies have looked, it's like a commodity. Whether you're buying wheat or corn, it's exactly the same thing. You go in for a bid, 4 or 5 other companies are coming in, you all say the same thing. I've lived it. I own a cleaning company. I built it into 3 different cities before ultimately selling it to focus on Swept, which I built for myself. And this is the way I was able to separate, by building trust. And I mean, this is a few years ago that I had my cleaning company. And at that point in time, trust was still important, but it was not nearly as important as today. Today, there's health risk. There's all these issues. The world's not going to shut down again, at least not in long, periods of time. So with the person who's hiring you, whether it's an office manager or a facilities manager, what they need to do is trust you, trust your team. And when you sound the same as everyone else, it's like it's impossible, literally impossible for them to tell. And so that's what I want to share with you today. Something that I did for years, my clients have been doing for years. They've grown a lot. Since COVID hit, a lot of my clients have grown substantially, doubling and tripling their business. It's because they're well managed and well run and all the rest, but it's also they're able to communicate something that their competitors can't. And as soon as you build trust, especially with the bidding process, and show that potential client something that they didn't know, you also give them an opportunity. Go check the other people who you're getting bids on. You should be getting this level of service. You should be working with a cleaning company that knows how to best manage their team and manage these contracts. So that's what I'm going to share with you right now. I will note there's a longer video that you can go into, a full webinar, dig in, send a message to me on LinkedIn. Reach out to me. Very comfortable to help you grow your company. But I want to give you just a bit of a teaser, a bit of a high level. I'm going to share the app with you so you get a sense of this, because as you'll see, there's no tricks. It's not buzzwords. This is real. This is you being able to demonstrate why you are a better run cleaning company and prove to that client. So I'm going to share my app right now. So here's the Swept app. And again, what I really want to do is link what the app allows you to do, the information it provides, and how you can build trust. So one of the the top few reasons why cleaning companies get fired is because a cleaner doesn't show up often, and the contract, they just say, look, you're not consistent. We need to fire you. We need to find someone else. Maybe there's a new cleaner all the time, and we know the industry has a lot of turnover. And if you have a new cleaner in often, sometimes that can feel like the service is a bit off. It can be a little bit challenging, and they can lose confidence in you as a business owner. And the other is that things are getting missed consistently. So they've asked you to do one thing, it's not being done, you've forgotten about it a few times. All of this really comes back to how you best manage and support your employees. And so what I'm going to share with you on this app is what I would suggest and recommend that you share when you're at the bidding process. So again, this is the cleaners app. So what you can share with them is say, this is what my cleaners see. So you open up your phone and you run through this process with them. You can say, here's 3 contracts that are going to be cleaned today by this particular cleaner. You can see that the cleaner is actually 4 hours late. That means they've been notified. I've also been notified. So if someone is late or something's going on, I know about it in real time, and I can help take care of that. Then you jump into the location. And again, this is just a demo location. And you say, look, when a cleaner shows up for the first time, they need to know how to get in. Also, we don't want to write your building details, your security codes, because that's what people do. They write it down on a piece of paper and give it to a cleaner. We actually have security information, double password protected. Now, again, this is a demo account, so my password is pretty easy, 1234. In this, you have the alarm code, you have the lockbox code. You can even add a picture here. So if there's a lockbox outside of the office, I recommend, before going into the quote, taking a picture off Google and of their business and putting it in here. So when you're running through this demo, you're actually showing them that you've they're already in your system, even in a demo account. Again, it's about building trust, showing them that you care about the contract, that you care about the work, and that you're going to, do a great job in the service. That one little piece will build trust. The other side of it is you go into the instructions and you say, for our cleaners, number one, not everyone speaks English as a first language. So we have instructions in here. We have pictures. If you don't mind today, I'd love to take a couple pictures. Show me what kind of drives you nuts. What is it that people have missed? Maybe you don't want whiteboards wiped. Maybe you do want them wiped. Whatever you want, we're going to make sure that our cleaners know about it. And the instructions here are in English, but if I was to speak Spanish, this would actually show up in Spanish. Again, it's all about building trust. They don't know you. They don't know your cleaners. They definitely don't know your cleaners. They're probably not even going to meet your cleaners. Your cleaners are going to be there in the middle of the night. And they're going to be trying to figure out, as they get all these quotes, who do I trust? And by, again, simply showing them that, look, we hire from the same group of people. We hire online. We post jobs, on Craigslist, on wherever online. It's the same cleaners are applying to all the other jobs. It's not about that person. It's about how you manage them. It's about how you lead them. And we use software to support them. So if you have an interruption because someone can't make a shift, maybe they're sick, maybe something happens with their kids, we're not stuck saying, sorry, we can't clean your location. We're able to bring in one of our top cleaners and they're set up for success. They know to get in your building. They know what's important to you. You won't even see that there's an interruption. And we've designed our business for that exact reason. I wish I could go and sell these contracts with you to run you through this, but watch this video, take a look at the webinar, make your notes, set up a time to meet with someone on my team from Swept, learn about our product, learn about how you can both win a contract, but then better manage it and retain it. This is, as I said earlier, this is not fake or, there's no tricks or anything like this. You literally set your cleaners up for success. You do a better job. You find out if something's gone wrong and you can manage it more effectively. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, set up a demo with someone on my team here at Swept to learn more about the product. We would love to help you build your business and hit your goals for next year. Take care.